How to get a floating home button on Android using the built-in assistive ball option. This gives you a floating button on your screen that you can tap to quickly access useful navigation and shortcuts. So let's see how to enable it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down and look for Accessibility and Convenience or Convenience Tools, depending on your software version. Next, find and select Assistive Ball. Here, simply turn on the Assistive Ball option. Once enabled, you'll see a small floating button appear on your screen. You can drag this button anywhere along the edges of the display so it stays convenient without getting in your way. Now, tap the Assistive Ball to see the available shortcuts. You can customize its actions and choose useful functions such as back, home, recent apps, screenshot, or other available shortcuts. And that's it. You've now enabled a floating navigation button on your Android phone using the built-in Assistive Ball feature, with no third-party app required. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple Android tips and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.